In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to label in Confluence, making your content easier to organize and retrieve. Labels are a great way to categorize and manage content, turning what could be a chaotic bundle of information into a neat and organized workspace. So, if you're ready, let's dive in and learn how to make the most out of this feature. To kick things off, head over to your Confluence homepage. Here lies the foundation of your work, a place where you can access everything you need for your projects. Once you're there, the next thing you want to do is to select the space that you're working within. Spaces in Confluence act as containers for your pages. They help keep related content together, so it's important to choose the right one. After selecting your space, it's time to zero in on the specific page where you want to add labels. Navigate through until you find your desired page. Think of each page as a single document where all the details about a specific topic or project are stored. Once you find it, go ahead and click to open it up. Now, to make any changes, you'll need to edit the page. Look for the Edit button, usually located in the upper right corner. Clicking Edit allows you to modify the content of the page, and in our case, this includes adding labels. Once you're in the edit mode, the real fun begins. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page. This is where the labeling magic happens. You'll see an option labeled Add Label. Click on it, and a small dialog box will open up. This handy feature shows you all the available labels that you can apply. But don't worry if you can't find one that perfectly fits your needs. Confluence is versatile. You can also create your own custom labels to suit the unique requirements of your project. Having the option to choose from existing labels or create new ones offers a lot of flexibility. If you're working on a project that requires a new category or keyword, simply type it in, and there you have it. A brand new label created to help you organize your page better. This feature is highly beneficial for searching and filtering information later on. When you need to find all pages related to a certain topic, the labels act as a quick link to gather everything under one umbrella. It essentially streamlines your workflow, saving you time and effort in the long run. Now you're all set to start labeling your content in Confluence. With these tips, you can better manage your projects, improve your search capability, and keep all your information neatly organized. Getting used to labeling may take a bit of practice, but once you master it, you'll find it incredibly useful. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!